One of the most scenic travel sector ng Gago Ride. So I'm doing it on reverse. Same, papunta, pabalik, very scenic. Single, parang single track ang dating eh. Actually is single vehicle. Ang kasya dito, hindi pwede ata magsabay ang dalawang kotse. I think so. Tricycle baka pwede pa. So this is one of my favorite sectors, though short siya pero very scenic. And may mga turns, twist, may climb and gravel and dirt siya, mixed terrain. Medyo 10%, 99%, pero maganda. See that? Puro puno. Then you can see the Benguet Mountains sa right side. Ganda dito. So you're into gravel or off-road riding, adventure, balitaan nyo lang ako, samahan ko kayo dito. You can always schedule a ride kasi sobrang lapit lang to sa bahay. Sobrang lapit sa Manawag. Parang wala pang 10k, nandito ka na sa mga magagandang spots, gravel sectors. So mga 25 to 30k na loop solve na yun. Will be burning like 600 to 1,000 calories depende sa fitness nyo. So we're nearing the end of the gravel, maybe 500 meters. May mga bahay na rin. Ang labas pala nito is Barangay San Fernandoan, Pusurubio, yung may school. And magle-left tayo Barangay Haway. We'll be exiting Barangay Haway kasi sementado na doon, and for sure paputik doon sa Maambal, doon sa may farm or poultry. So para hindi na madadagdagan yung lilinisan ko, I'd rather ride the cemented Haway. Ganda naman, scenic din, parang nasa mga country na maraming baka. So yun o, sa taas yun yung exit nito, which is nice, parang tunnel. This is perfect, the route is perfect for racing, gravel racing and adventure. Meron tayong rota for touring, riding, and meron tayong rota for racing, pure racing na panay uphill, more super punchy route, talagang perfect for gravel, long and punchy. So hopefully organize tayo ng race soon. So later na.